Meta-learning, also known as learning to learn, is the process of learning how to learn more effectively. It involves developing strategies and techniques for acquiring new knowledge and skills, and for adapting to new learning situations. In today's world, where the pace of change is constantly increasing and the amount of information we need to learn is constantly expanding, meta-learning is a crucial skill to have. One key aspect of meta-learning is setting learning goals. Before you start learning something new, it is important to have a clear idea of what you hope to achieve. This can help you stay focused and motivated, and it can also help you measure your progress. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals can be a helpful way to do this. For example, instead of just saying I want to learn more about quantum mechanics, you might set a goal of I want to be able to explain the basics of quantum mechanics to someone else within the next month. Another important aspect of meta-learning is creating a study plan. This involves breaking your learning goals down into smaller, more manageable chunks, and scheduling time for learning each day or week. A study plan can help you stay on track and make sure you are making progress toward your goals. It can also help you identify any areas where you may need to spend more time or seek additional help. There are many different techniques that can be used in meta-learning, such as mnemonic devices, which are techniques that help you remember information more effectively. For example, you might use an acronym, a rhyme, or a mental image to help you remember a list of items. Other techniques include practice problems, quizzes, and flashcards, which can help you test your knowledge and identify areas where you need to spend more time. Another important aspect of meta-learning is taking breaks. It is important to take breaks while you are learning so that your brain has time to process and consolidate the information you are trying to learn. Taking breaks can also help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Research has shown that taking regular breaks can improve learning and memory, so it is important to incorporate breaks into your study routine. In addition to these specific techniques, meta-learning also involves identifying your own learning style and using strategies that work best for you. Different people learn best in different ways, and understanding your own learning style can help you choose strategies that are most effective for you. For example, if you are a visual learner, you might benefit from using diagrams or charts to help you understand new material, while an auditory learner might prefer listening to lectures or discussions. Another important aspect of meta-learning is seeking out diverse sources of information. Learning from multiple sources can help you get a more well-rounded understanding of the topic you are studying. It can also help you learn more effectively, since different sources may present the material in different ways. In addition to traditional sources such as textbooks and lectures, you might consider looking for online resources, seeking out experts in the field, or joining a study group or discussion forum. Finally, meta-learning involves staying organized. Keeping your study materials organized can help you learn more efficiently since you will be able to find what you need more quickly. This might involve creating study guides, taking notes, or simply keeping your textbooks and notes in a tidy, easily accessible place. In addition to helping you learn new things more effectively, meta-learning can also help you develop other important skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability. These skills can be useful in a wide range of settings, including education, work, and personal life. By taking the time to learn how to learn more effectively, you can open doors that previously seemed impossible to open. Jim Quick, who is at the forefront of meta-learning, says it best. If knowledge is power, then learning how to learn is a superpower. In conclusion, meta-learning is the skill of learning how to learn. Because we live in the age of information, your learning ability will be the difference maker in your life. Warren Buffett says the more you learn, the more you earn. So make meta-learning a priority in your schedule in order to live your very best life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to learn how to make difficult things easy so that you can live the life of your dreams by studying 4 subjects not taught in school. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.